Top 5 key aspects of custom polymer synthesis for 3D printing. 1. Polymer structure design controls strength and flexibility in 3D printed parts for specific uses. 2. Molecular weight tuning affects polymer flow and print resolution, crucial for detailed prints. 3. Additives enhance properties like heat resistance or color, tailoring polymers to application needs. 4. Curing and solidification rates determine print speed and final part durability in 3D printing. 5. Biocompatibility is vital for medical prints, ensuring safety and functionality in custom polymers. Follow for more insights on advanced 3D printing materials.